Good morning. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha Fleet. Ugh. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. This is the channel where I document kind of like my fiber journey. So might be spinning, weaving, knitting, what else do I do? Maybe felting. I really want to do some felting this summer. I want to do some wet felting, but you know, not right now. It's like in the 20s outside. Probably not a great idea. Today we'll be dyeing. I'm going to dye this new super sock blend from Paradise Fibers. It came in the January 2021 package, subscription package, and it's really, really beautiful. It also has bamboo and silk in it, and I cannot wait to spin it. You guys know I love to spin socks. I've done it on this channel multiple times, and often from the Paradise Fiber. They also sent 2 ounces, which is a lot, of Firestar. So I'm gonna dye some Firestar too. It's Tuesday morning and I'm tired and I'm a little grumpy. Part of this channel, guys, is about showing up in the world as you really are, showing up in your art or crafts or whatever as you really are, and not letting anybody tell you how you should show up in the world. So if somebody starts an email or a text or a comment to you, especially when they've been invited into your space like this, with "I hope you're not going to be offended," they probably know they're overstepping. Show up as you, warts and all. Sometimes I film in my pajamas, sometimes I film with my glasses and you can see the ring light. Sometimes I film without lip gloss, and I tell you guys, if you don't love me without lip gloss, there's no reason why you should love me with it. You know what I'm saying? I love you with or without lip gloss. Dirty feet, bare feet, maybe not stinky feet. I mean, I still love you, but I want to love you from over here. We have 4 boys and a girl. I've smelled some stinky feet. This whole channel, not just fiber, is about showing up in the world in an authentic way and really being yourself. And anybody who wants to tell you that you should be different, however that means, you should lose weight, you should curl your hair more, you should, I don't know, get a nose job, I don't know. What do people tell you? Pluck your eyebrows, color your eyebrows in, have no eyebrows. People have a lot of opinions about eyebrows, don't they? Wow. Have you ever seen the video of the little girl trying to buckle her car seat and she's like, "Worry about yourself"? Oh, I am grumpy today. Ooh. You know what could probably cure that? Let's dye some wool. Okay. So this is the blend. It's 6 ounces, and I actually weighed it just to make sure it was really 6 ounces because I don't think I can get by on less than 3. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. So I'm gonna split it in half, and I'm gonna do this the simplest way, okay? We're gonna go end to end, hello, and find the middle. You know, this is the super scientific way. Other people probably use scales and fancy tools. I don't need that kind of stuff. I'm a barbarian. Okay, so now I have a 3 and a 3 pretty much. I'm about to soak these in water. There is literally wool floating everywhere in front of my face. I'm glad you guys can't see it. I'm about to soak this in water with a tablespoon of citric acid. I'm not very scientific with that. I mean, it's not gonna break down your fiber if you go overboard a little bit. So I always figure best to go overboard a hair because I've had trouble not exhausting, long story. So whatever, I'm about to soak this. This is one of the 3 ounce bundles. I know what I'm doing with these already. They're gonna be super different from each other. And then this one, what I wanna do is dye a gradient. And I wanna make the 2 socks like fraternal twins. So they'll match, but they won't be identical. What would you call that? It's not really even like fraternal twins, because fraternal twins could look completely different. So I'm gonna split this one the same way in half. They need to soak for a little while, so I'll be back in a little bit. Recently, someone gifted me 5 pounds of citric acid, and I thought I would show you guys that it fits perfectly in one of these containers of, let's see, how many was it? 60 packs of laundry detergent. I use the all free and clear because I'm very allergic to scented laundry detergent, and I get super itchy if I use anything with a fragrance. It's very annoying. So I'm gonna put, oh gosh, it's only 6 ounces. I think 1 tablespoon should do it in the water. Anyways, we'll see you in a few minutes when it's ready to dye. I think this one's done. I'm gonna just check it to make sure the dye is exhausted. Yep, that water looks clear, doesn't it? Yep, looks all good. I'm gonna take this guy off and let it cool outside. It is, since it's superwash, you could rinse it right away, but I just feel wrong doing that when it's this hot. So I'm gonna take it on the porch, let it cool in the pan, and I'll show it to you guys when it's all rinsed and dry. Look at it. Yeah. Oh shoot, I'm all steamed up. See? It's exhausted. These socks are gonna be Valentine socks, and are they not adorable? Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, these are very different from each other. Sorry about the kettle in the middle. When they're all dry, I'll be back to show you the finished top. Man, they're very different, aren't they? I am so excited about this one. I can't wait. Here they are. So the next morning they're all dry, and I really can't wait to get spinning. These are the two Valentine ones. I think they turned out really beautiful. Here's the other one all braided up. I just dyed one similar to this for my shop called Joe, and it was sticking in my mind, so I wanted to do something similar again. So you guys have had a lot of questions about the Firestar 2. I did dye it, and I'm going to put out a video about it in the next week or two. Just wanted to quickly show you the kind of color you can get, and it is the easiest thing to dye. I mean, it is so easy. So if you're interested in seeing that, kind of keep an eye out. The next, like I said, week or two, there will be a video on how to get this effect too. I hope you guys enjoyed dyeing with me. I love it when you're here with me dyeing. I've been dyeing tons lately, just day after day. So I will see you guys soon. Thanks. I love you. Bye.